Hello, I'm Joey and I will be playing Hayden in the show. Hayden himself I thought was such a complex and fascinating character, and he has again so much heart, so much passion, but then is also so broken by previous stuff that's happened to him, going to jail, and then also and then trying to kind of pay off all his debts and look after his family and his children, and his wife and his children, and at the same time being proud to be a miner, being proud to be Welsh and working with his community and all of that stuff, but at the same time, going through an absolute kind of crisis. So it was a really kind of wonderful part in that sense, like complex. The dynamic between the characters is one of camaraderie and pride and passion and like banter. They've got, they know each other so well. They're this huge family, this community of miners and their families, and they all love each other in a way. But at the same time, because of that, it's like a family. They bicker and they fall out with each other, particularly when times are hard, which is what the play is focusing on, which is around a strike and the fact the pit might close. So tensions run high, and of course that means that people say things that hurt other people. So there's like all of that going on. Yeah. There's the love, but there's also the tension. You should come and see the show because it's a fabulous story. It's full of heart and full of passion, and it's a story that will excite all ages, I think, from young to old. There's a nostalgia for people potentially looking back and remembering this time, both probably happy and sad in many ways. And then for young people, it's insight into where their heritage and what their families have been through, or certainly friends of friends have been through. So and also it's just fun.